Hi, I'm Simon Lee, Master Builder here at Estha AI. Welcome to this new video on how to build another useful AI agent. What if you could get instant answers as a condo resident, streamline tenant queries as MCST or concierge staff, or deliver consistent responses at scale as an estate admin? Let's build a estate management AI agent to do just that. Let's start by logging into Estha AI. You can log in using your email address and password or your Google account. When you are in the application dashboard, click on the plus sign to create a new app or bot. Provide a bot description to describe what this bot is about or used for, followed by a bot greeting for the person using the bot along with simple instructions on how to use it. Lastly, attach an image. You can use other AIs like ChatGPT to help you create a transparent PNG icon. We also switch on the picture functionality so that users can provide a photo of handwritten documents for analysis. Please note that we can set the LLM to advanced mode for enhanced reasoning, deeper contextual understanding, and richer responses, while standard mode is for general text generation, answering queries and summarizing content. Now we need to click and drag the if-then meta node and all the relevant action nodes onto the canvas. The action nodes required should be decided during the design phase, as each node serves a different purpose. Next, we need to connect all the nodes by clicking and dragging a line from one blue dot to the next. This step is important because it allows us to set up the if-then meta node. Each action node is triggered by specific trigger words, which you can display in the bot greeting as mentioned earlier. The trigger words or phrases are matched with the customization statements in the respective action nodes for the appropriate responses from the bot. Now I will show how I set up the major nodes for this bot. As long as the compulsory fields in each node have something filled in, you can save your work along the way. Compulsory fields are marked by an asterisk. Lastly, the if-then conditions must be mutually exclusive but collectively exhaustive. This means that each action node is independent, but together they should cover as many dimensions of the bot's main concept as possible. The following are screenshots of the customization and persona statements of the action nodes. You don't need to build out the entire bot before saving. You can connect nodes one by one and fill up the if-then nodes step by step. Once you have completed all the compulsory sections of every node in the schema, you should save your work and do a preview to test it. When testing is complete and successful, you can publish the bot to generate a live link. The link can be copied and pasted into WhatsApp, email, or other platforms for public use. You can also share your bot schema with other registered Estha AI users. Thank you for your kind attention. If you have any questions, comments, or need resources to build your bot, you can reach me at my email address. See you in my next video.